Welcome to iPad Training Lesson 7. In this lesson, you will learn about the App Store. Let's open up the App Store. The programs you run on your iPad are called apps. You can get new apps at the App Store. Some of these apps are free and others cost money. To get the apps that cost money, you must have a credit card on your iPad account. There are hundreds of thousands of free apps, though. First, I'll show you how to sign in with your Apple ID or change accounts if you're signed in with a different ID. Scroll to the bottom of the page until you see your Apple ID. If you have more than one iTunes account, you can sign in with any of your iTunes account IDs and the apps you get will stay on your iPad. Tap your Apple ID, sign out, scroll down again, sign in, use existing Apple ID, and now I'm signed in again. Next to the sign in button, you see a button that says Redeem. This is where you enter the code if you have an app that you've gotten as a gift. You'll get an email with a code. Just copy the code, paste it in here, and the app will download automatically. Now let's take a look at the App Store. There are so many apps at the App Store, it's sometimes hard to find what you're looking for. So there are several ways of looking for apps. At the top of the page, you see 3 buttons that can help you search: New, What's Hot, and Release Date. New and What's Hot are good to look at because you can see a variety of different apps you might find interesting. Here on the page, you'll see a couple of bands with apps in them. You can scroll through from right to left to look at the different apps. At the bottom, you see buttons called Featured, Genius, Top Charts, Categories, Purchased, and Updates. Featured will show the apps that the people at the App Store like. You can scroll down and scroll to the right or the left. Genius will recommend some apps to you based on the apps you already have. So I have the app Color Blast Light, and it's recommending to me iPhoto. Top Charts will show you the most popular apps on the App Store right now. In Top Charts, you can look at top paid iPad apps or top free iPad apps. Top free iPad apps is a good place to look to find things to download for free. You can scroll through and see what they've got. Categories will let you search by category. Some examples are education, entertainment, sports, news, and games. Purchased will show you all of the apps you have already bought. If you delete an app and you want it back on your iPad, you can go to Purchased and download it again for free. Updates will show you the apps that need updating on your iPad. All of my apps are up to date. You can also search for apps using the search bar. Tap X to clear the field, and type what you want to look for. I'll look for an origami app. Here are my results. I can see iPad results above and iPhone results below. The little plus sign shows me that some of the apps are available in iPad and iPhone. You can buy iPhone apps for your iPad, but the pictures are designed for small screens, so it doesn't look as nice. Here I can see the name of the app, and I can see that it's free. I can also see that it has 4 stars. That's pretty good. If I want more information about the app, I can tap the icon. This page is all about the app. You can see the name and some information about the developer. If you scroll down, you can see some screenshots, so you know what the app will look like before you download it. Below that, you can see some customer ratings and reviews. This one doesn't have enough ratings so that they can show me how many stars. Well, this looks pretty good. I think I'll download this one. Tap Free, tap Install App, and it will start downloading to my home page. Sometimes you have to enter your Apple ID password to download. Now the app is installed on my home screen. If I don't like it and I want to delete it, I can just tap and hold until it wiggles, and then tap the X. Now it's deleted. If I want to download it again, I can go to my purchased apps inside the App Store. Here it is. I can download it again, and it will install on my home screen. There it is again. Now that you know how to use the App Store, go find some apps to download. This is the end of Lesson 7.